ACAS 1. Measures range and closure rates of other aircraft. Alerts pilot when intruder aircraft enters protected volume of airspace and becomes potential threat. Traffic advisory.
Traffic.
ACAS 2. Measures range and closure rates of other aircraft. Alerts pilot when intruder aircraft enters protected volume of airspace and becomes potential threat. Traffic advisory.
Traffic.
Provides avoidance maneuvers for pilots in vertical sense if intruder becomes a threat. Resolution advisory. Coordinates and provides complementary resolution advisories. If both aircraft have mode S transponders.
Descend.
ACAS 3. Measures range and closure rates of other aircraft. Alerts pilot when intruder aircraft enters protected volume of airspace and becomes potential threat. Traffic advisory.
Traffic.
Provides avoidance maneuvers for pilots in vertical sense if intruder becomes a threat. Resolution advisory. Coordinates and provides complementary resolution advisories. If both aircraft have mode S transponders. Provides avoidance maneuvers for pilots in horizontal sense.
Descend.
Non-intruding traffic. Other traffic. Non-intruding aircraft which are within 6 nautical mile and 1,200 feet from own aircraft are called proximate traffic. Targets are displayed by different symbols, according to their ACAS status. A hollow blue or white diamond for non-intruding traffic. Proximate traffic. Proximate traffic is identified by a solid white or blue diamond. In the event of an advisory, this symbol indicates that the aircraft is not the intruder generating the advisory, illustrating that the closest traffic may not necessarily be the most threatening. Intruder. A solid amber circle, for intruders which triggers a traffic advisory.
Traffic.
Threat. A solid red square. For threats which triggers an resolution advisory.
Climb now.
Example of vertical speed indicators. Type TCAS display resolution advisory S are often displayed on vertical speed indicators such as the instantaneous vertical speed indicators or the vertical speed tape in the PFD. On some aircraft, resolution advisory are displayed on the electronic attitude display indicator, by a pitch cue, which corresponds to the acquired vertical speed. The symbology, along with visual information relating to resolution advisory, is integrated into the vertical speed indicator. An resolution advisory combination of red and green arc indicates the required vertical rate and the red arc the vertical rates to avoid. The dotted circle around the own aircraft symbol in the vertical speed indicator represents a radius of 2 nautical miles. The display range can vary from 4 to 30 nautical miles ahead of own aircraft. The traffic information display system is designed to aid visual acquisition of an intruder. It indicates the relative horizontal and vertical position of other aircraft in the vicinity by measuring the replies from their transponders. Each symbol is displayed on screen according to its relative position to own aircraft. The display accuracy depends on the selected scale. When the 10 nautical miles scale is in use, the positional accuracy is approximately 1 nautical miles in range and +/10 degrees in bearing. Vertical data is also shown with the relevant symbol if the intruder is reporting altitude. Two PDF concepts exist and systems currently show one or the other. On the Airborne resolution advisory shown by a red or orange trapezoid area, showing the pilot the attitude value to be avoided. This provides direct guidance on the pitch angle to be achieved by the pilot. This form of display does not include any flights to green area. On the vertical speed tape, and resolution advisory is shown in the same way as in classic cockpits. A red area marks the range of vertical speeds to be avoided. A green area indicates to the pilot the required vertical speed, while limiting the deviation from the ATC cleared flight level.
Descend, crossing descend. Descend, crossing descend. Clear of conflict.